Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's ADUNNI'S again, and today we're going to be doing this African threading together. We're going to be using Brazilian wool, and the good thing about this hairstyle is it's less than $1. It is very, very quick. I did all of this in less than 2 hours. It is super lightweight and your hair tip is well protected. Your scalp has enough room to breathe. If this sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching and do not forget to click the subscribe button. So to make the pattern easier for me, I have a pack of rubber band here. I honestly was looking for the plain black, but I didn't find, so we're going to work with this one. I have missed making my hair so much, so I do not want it to be too much because I probably will just carry this for like a week. So let's go. So I'm going to go ahead to do what I have done on this side to this side, and you guys, we are going to start threading. So this is the wool we are going to be using, and I probably will use maybe 2 or 3, but I am going to go ahead to cut it now. So I'm just going to do this. I am attaching one strand to my leg and I am holding one strand and I'm just basically this is what I am doing. Right. I also want it to be a bit chunky because my hair is not so full. So we actually have 6 on both sides. So all we have is 12. Now we can start threading. Can you guys tell that I actually miss making my hair? I think I should. If you actually moisturize your elastic, this is what the elastic will come out if you decide not to braid with it. But if you don't moisturize it, you would realize, oh shit, you would realize that it's going to break some parts of your hair. So you can see that some of my hair is still left out. So I'm going to take two strands. I'm going to take two strands to continue wrapping it. And once you get to your desired length, which is this for me, and once you get to your desired length, which is this for me, I am just going to take one of the two that we are using to wrap to go ahead and just do a little tie. One, two, and that's it. So we're going to do one more, and the reason why I am counting is because I want to have a uniform size, right? So Now that we're done with threading, we're going to go ahead to put this into a nice bun, like a nice pattern. So one thing I like about threading my hair myself at home is the fact that I can control the amount of pressure that goes into gripping my hair, because this like doesn't even feel like I have anything on. Genuinely, genuinely. So I'm going to take some of this to wrap, to put it together. I should probably cut this off. Okay, okay. So I'm going to make all of this into one piece. I'm making a tight knot. So I'm going to do the same thing to the side. So the same thing ties into, put this together into one. I'm going to go ahead and just apply some bit of oil to my scalp. And I'm just going to go ahead to tie it down. I really like it. I really like my hair. So let me know in the comment section if you find this video helpful. Do not forget to click the subscribe button and make sure to come back for more tutorials. I'll see you in my next one.